I had always been told that you have to be good at math to get a well-paying career in technology. Now I know that's not true at all. And second, university just wasn't in the cards for me. I am self-taught and mentored, so I have been technically inclined from a young age. I taught myself how to code when I was like 8. A combination of that and learning on the job from people who had experience in IT was what got me to where I am today. So when I started in the technology field, I was just working a very entry-level help desk support type role. And from there, just worked my way up into assisting consultants on projects and then consulting myself. And then from consulting into now being a solution architect. My day can look anything like spending all day on the computer or traveling across the continent. Sometimes I am working with Microsoft partners to deliver presentations. So speaking from groups of small boardrooms to 300 people in an auditorium, right? And sometimes I'm just on the computer all day helping our partners, answering technical questions, answering sales questions, joining meetings, presenting meetings. My advice would be not to focus too much on following a conventional path, to just follow what interests you. Things like my volunteer experience, even my previous career to technology, all played a factor in my hiring at Microsoft.